Alright, back for a Chrysos update. You can see my lending. Still not there. It's been 6 days. And the last lending investment that I did was on the 2nd. I received backlog interest on the 8th of February, and I haven't received anything since. So I was hoping that every 6 days I was going to receive my backlog interest, and obviously that's not the case. There's no consistency yet with the lending on Chrysos, and that's been reported by many of the members that have been commenting on my my last YouTube video. So hopefully they'll work it out. I've written support tickets to them. No responses. It doesn't sound like a lot of people are getting responses yet. So I'll continue to stay positive in hopes that they will. But some member here on my last video did write. I wrote them. They fixed it. Write to them again. They're reading their email. So maybe they're reading their email, they're just not responding. So hopefully they're fixing issues slowly and surely, but they're just not responding to the million emails that they're probably getting. So hopefully they'll figure that out. The security function, I know that some of you also commented on this, the two-factor authentication, that hasn't been fixed for the last since they launched, pretty much on day 1. And I actually sent them a support ticket on that, and they haven't fixed that either. So at least as far as I understand. If you guys report something different, let me know. Alright, so Chrysos, I'm going to do a personal message to you right now. So if you're having to watch my video here, since I'm one of the few YouTubers that are still doing updates on Chrysos, if you're watching, we need more support. We need you to try to respond to these emails to people that are concerned or are having issues with their lending. Because we know that good support for a lending platform like this is crucial to the longevity of it. And so if you want us to stick around, then please step up your support game and answer some of these emails and support tickets that we sent out to you, and maybe we can continue our support here. But it's very crucial, and we hope that you step up your game so we can continue our support through Chrysos and the platform and lending, even through the exchanges if you plan on launching hopefully tomorrow. So yeah, that's all I have to say to you, Chrysos, and hopefully you'll do something about it. Alright guys, so I don't know if Chrysos is even watching my videos on YouTube. I would imagine that if they're wanting to see how people are feeling in regards to the program and its health, that they're probably going to watch these YouTubers because they're the ones that are giving out the news and if there's still positivity left in a program or not. At this point, I'm still hopeful for Chrysos. I don't know what's going to happen. I feel like if they're going to go down, if they're going to exit scam, that will happen in the next 1 or 2 weeks. If they are going to stick around, we'll get some note from them saying that they're launching on the external exchange in the next 1 to 2 or maybe 3 days. And so I'm hoping for the latter. I'm hoping that they'll launch on the external exchange and we'll get a note from them on the website. So stay tuned, and I'm going to try to update people as soon as I can when I find out new information. If anybody has any information, please write below on this video as well. If you have any updated information on the launch date, on the support, on the security as well, if you've received any replies, so I can stay current as well. It helps me and the content that I bring to my audience. I do have some good news though. I have officially launched my Forex Pullback Copier, and you can go to it by clicking the link below this video, forexpullbackcopier.com, and the video that you'll see on the front page goes over all the options of how to get started, what the website is, what to expect, all that kind of stuff. And so you can check it out, and I feel like I did a decent job, but if you have any complaints or any concerns, please contact me through the website or through YouTube as well, and you can check that out. And don't forget to look over at the risk disclaimer as well, because every investment has risk. It doesn't matter how good it is. I feel like I have a great strategy, and it's been tested for so long, but the future is unknown. And I feel like I've done a very good job on preparing for what may happen in the future when it comes to actively trading in the market, because we're actively trading in the market and you're going to have your trades copied to your accounts through an active market. But it's important to use funds that you can't afford to lose. This is not something that you should use your life savings on, but it's something that is a very good and safe investment platform. And to me, personally, I feel like it's safer than cryptocurrency, than stocks, than anything, because I have a strategy that has been profitable for the last over 11 years. Alright, so if you want to check out that website, look at the link below this video and sign up. Everything's free. You don't have to pay for anything. I've wanted to bring this to the masses in a free way, and I'm able to finally do it. And so I'm hoping that it's very functional for you guys. If you have any complaints, please let me know, because I want to try to make this easy for you, as easy as possible. Again, you don't have to use my broker. I do recommend a broker to use because you receive 10 to 15% profit per month. But if you can use any brokers, whether it's Oenda, whether it's IC Markets, whether it's Forex.com, you can use those brokers as well. There's no restrictions on that. All right. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, and check out my website. I'm excited for this and what it can bring to the masses. All right, see you next time. Bye.